Hey guys, it's Blayde again from Pioneer Security, and we've got something very special for you today. Very first in the country of these brand new Pioneer TSX-40 SXT shelf speakers. So yes guys, we are back in the retro storage room for very good reason. Now you guys may remember we've done a video recently on the brand new Pioneer SXT C10 PS, the retro style head unit, and that video blew up and you guys really loved that. So thank you very much for that. Now Pioneer have kept on with the retro revival with these brand new TSX-40 SXT shelf speakers. Now shelf speakers are really popular back in the early to mid 80s. So Pioneer were one of the most popular to do shelf speakers, and then back in the day they did the TSX-60s, which were an awesome thing. They had 4 speakers in them. 3 of them would rise up as you turn the ignition on and had the backlit Pioneer logo. They were really popular, and you'll struggle to find them now today. So Pioneer have brought out these TSX-40s, and these things are going to be really popular. So let's open up the box, show you what they look like, and let's go from there. Okay guys, so we've opened up the box and look at these things. They look absolutely wicked. So as mentioned, they are a box type speaker that you'd fit on your rear shelf, and it's a 3-way speaker in this enclosure, and I think this is called a triaxial speaker. So it's a essentially 3-way component speaker, but in one enclosure. So it's like a coaxial with 3 speakers, so they call it a triaxial speaker. I mean, these things look absolutely wicked. You've got the silver painted finish, you've got the Pioneer logo on the top, and then at the very bottom you've got your connection at the back. And I mean, even without listening to these things, I can tell you these are going to look wicked on the rear shelf of any kind of car. But these are really popular for like JDM vehicles, anything that's going to take these on the rear shelf, old school like a Renault 5, Escort, something like that. These would be wicked just to keep that retro look in the vehicle, but we have all the brand new equipment. Now, as well as the 2 speakers in the box, you get a box of little accessories. So you have the speaker cable here for each side. So you've got white for your left, grey for your right, and that will plug into the back of the speakers. You can run that to your head unit. Then you have these brackets so you can actually secure it down to the shelf itself. So you can actually bolt it onto the back of the speaker. If you have a look here, you've got these mounting points there. And then you've also got a pack of screws, rods, some sticky back foam, those kind of things. So everything you need to actually mount it into the car. So it looks like a 4-inch woofer that mainly drives the low end. You've got a 2-inch mid-range speaker, and then a tiny tweeter in the middle with 2 little portholes for the woofer to play out of. And now these are 100 watts max, so I'd assume around 50 watts RMS. Now, because these are the first in the country, we don't have many details on these at all. But like I said, they're around 50 watts RMS. 4 ohm impedance, so run perfectly just off of a head unit. If you wanted to amplify them, you can do, but it's a full range speaker, so these will sound amazing, and will give you a little bit of bass presence as well. So you may be wondering dimensions, they look quite big. So in terms of the actual width of the enclosures each, so they are 321 millimeters wide and 123 millimeters tall. So not too bad at all, will sit quite nicely on the rear deck of most cars, just like that. And you can fire them towards the front of the vehicle. Now, in terms of the rest of the specs, we don't actually know the rest of the specs on these speakers. As mentioned before, these are pre-release models. 100 watt peak, so roughly 50 watts RMS, and a 4 ohm speaker. But in terms of the rest of the specs, we're not actually sure yet, but we will update you when we know a bit more. But I think the best thing for us to do is go find one of Raj's cars that these are going to suit down to the ground for, chuck them in the car, see what they look like, and more importantly, see what they sound like. So rather than us cutting holes and drilling into the factory shelf, which is very hard to come by, we built a whole new shelf for the speakers to sit. Right guys, so the speakers are installed. Take a look. Throwbacks or what? These things look completely at home in the back of this car, and that retro Pioneer logo staring you in the face, even with the boot lid shut, they look like they're meant to be there. So I have just soft fitted these speakers for the time being. We are going to do a full install, which will be coming to the channel very soon. But as you can see on the rear shelf, with all the stickers taken off, they look immense. So obviously normally you'd have some bracketry and stuff that actually hold them down. Like I say, they're just soft fitted for now, but they are hooked up. So let's have a listen. Okay, so quickly before we actually test the sound, just to let you know, we have installed the Pioneer SXT C10PS, which is running the original front speakers in this car that are yet to be changed, and the rear shelf speakers that we've just installed. And let's turn it up. Tell you what, there's actually quite a lot of bass coming from these speakers. I didn't expect that. I think they've got like a 5¼ inch driver in them, but as it's in a box with some actual portholes, you're actually getting a little bit of bass. Not subwoofer bass, but it's making me think, would you actually need a sub? Do you know what? I'm actually really impressed with them. Not only just the bass response is actually really good, the clarity of the sound. This is obviously not an SQ kind of song. This is just some royalty-free music we've got going on. But even just from this kind of music, you can tell the clarity from the speakers and the treble is coming through really nicely. And just to have that rear fill in a little car like this makes a big difference. And it's actually complementing the original front speakers quite well. Right guys, so that was the overview and unboxing of the new Pioneer TSX-40 SXT box speakers. And actually, I'm really impressed with these. I didn't have that much in mind for them because they're quite small box speaker, nothing crazy, but actually listening to them in the car and looking at them in this kind of car, they look at home. They're a perfect match for this kind of car, and they would be perfect for like a Mark II Golf, an Escort, 205 GTI, those kind of old school hatchbacks, or even a saloon car that's got a rear shelf. They're going to be perfect for. So yeah, really impressed with them. If you guys want to take a look and have more information, the link to our website will be in the description below. So these are currently available on our website to pre-order at $249.99. So head on over to our website to check them out. But that's it from me. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.